Hi, hello guys, welcome back on new video. This video we going to I am going to show how to reverse a string. First of all, we needed to give a string as a data type. I have given my name as a n. Okay, sorry. Then I going to store my name as a in array n equal to n dot to char array. Okay. Then I needed to store this reverse string in another variable. I have given as uh, C. Okay, that's all. Now we needed to give a for loop for checking iteration. Int I is equal to I needed to measure the string uh, length. This is the inbuilt method to measure the length of the string. 0 minus. In this statement, I need to concatenate this bracket is not here. This will print all this. See, let's check it. Synchronous mixing. The string has been revising, but it will be iterating. So I needed to print this statement outside of the Python. Okay, now it has been revising. This is a way to revise the string. Okay, guys, thank you. Meet you on next video. Bye bye. Keep us supporting and subscribe. Thank you.